Yay, 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 it has arrived. Yes, it is, yes, it is. Oh. Alrighty. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Today I'm going to bring to you, my familia, this box of things that I've got from Sephora. Got a lot of things, spent a lot of money. Remember, I don't have a job, so it's not really the smartest thing to do. But if you want to see all the goodies that I purchased on this VIB sale, just keep on watching. Alright, so we'll start off with, let's see how many items I actually got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 things are in this package. So the first things that I see, we've got the samples. Whenever they give the samples, I love getting the perfume because it's a great way for me to see, is it popping, is it not. It smells really good. Juicy Couture hardly ever fails when it comes to perfume. This is Flower Bomb by Victor and Rolf. Flower Bomb. This is for old 78-year-old Nancy, who been fly, can't lie, but now she gotta grow up and she gotta grow out of the Juicy Couture. This is Elizabeth and James. I do not remember asking for this. Okay, this is a mom. Elizabeth and James Nirvana White. Like, I buy this for my mom. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Chicos and chicas. We got a lot happening here. Okay, so first thing I see in here is the Laneige. That's how you say it. Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. For all skin types. So that's the first bad boy that we purchased. And it comes in this little thing. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, they give you a little applicator to go with it that says Laneige. Let's see what we're smelling like. It just says Special Care Sleep Mask. It's fakely strawberry, maybe. Something of a fruit, but it's like strawberry, but like maybe like they dropped a hint of bubblegum in here, but like not overpowering, like a strawberry bubblegum maybe. See, wake up to soft lips. This relaxing berry infused, okay, scent overnight mask is enriched with berry mix complex, vitamin C, and leaves your lips soft and smooth. Heard amazing things about this, that it keeps your lips super soft. Go to sleep, so you wake up with the most luscious lips, and I think that this is a highly recommended thing, so I think that you guys should go out and check this out. Next, I have the Hourglass Extreme Lash Mascara Caution. And I got the smaller one because I just wanted to see what it was all about. Very different type of applicator. It just, maybe mine is just jacked, but it seems to be like weird. I don't know. Definitely would like to give this a try. It's the Caution Extreme Lash Mascara, so I'll be the judge of that. I didn't actually try this one out. All this stuff I purchased online, so yeah and yeah. This box is real brolic. I picked up because I haven't had her in a while. Anastasia Beverly Hills, just the brow wiz. I got this one in, I believe, dark brown. Oh no, I got it in ebony. Everyone knows who she is. I haven't used her in a really long time because I don't really do my brows anymore. So I just wanted to go back to her, see what she was all about. Now next, Dr. Robux. This is the Down Under Collagen Boost Eye Treatment. Now there was raving reviews and I've been wanting to try this brand. I believe that this brand is cruelty free. It says coconut oil, amino acids, and caffeine now. Dr. Oz had a doctor come in to a show, and she mentioned that caffeine is really essential for depuffing the under eye, so I was excited about that. Restore your skin's natural texture with hydrating eye treatment cream with powerful ingredients from down under. Skincare made in Australia. Formulated without any parabens, sulfates, phthalates, silicones, chemicals, and fibers. Vegan, no bunnies are harmed in the making of this product. Tested only on buttes like you. So I'm definitely excited about this. It doesn't have a terrible smell. It's interesting. Really light. The packaging kind of reminds me of the Bare Minerals skincare packaging. Very minimal, but super chic. So I really like that. And there you go, Dr. Roebuck. And this is their collagen boosting eye cream. And it says, stay sweet, your beaut inside and out. Okay, next I have the purifying mask, which I was really excited to try this one out. Infused with Australian white and red clay to gently purify and replenish your skin. So very exciting. And you get a heaping helping. And this is 1.67 ounces. Don't know why they couldn't just make it 1.7, but that's the packaging. Super simple. Something in my body tells me I'm gonna really love this brand. There's minimal ingredients, maximal results. That's what their claim is. So, and it's by Kim and Zoe. So this, I saw this brand a couple times and I was just like, I don't know, but sometimes you just gotta try things. Now I got this skin brightening toner. This I think was like one of the #1 rated things from them, and I got it because it's witch hazel, aloe, and glycolic acid, which I'm really excited about. And it's a nice spray bottle. Nice spraying all over, being able to tone it with this. And this is called Lifesaver. And let's see what this claims to do. Okay, brighten, tighten, and soothe your skin with this antioxidant-rich formula that allows you to reduce redness, even tone, and clean pores with aloe vera, grapefruit oil, and peppermint oil. We all know I love peppermint oil. That infused with natural AHAs. If you're looking for a skin lifesaver, this is it. So I'm excited about this. I definitely want to infuse these things into my beauty that I'm trying to get back into. So I am so excited about this particular brand. And these products were highly rated on Sephora. The eye cream is $38. Lip mask is $20. The Lifesaver is $28. The mask is $28 as well. Mascara is $14. And the Brow Wiz, of course, we all know is $21. And there goes that. So now the next thing that I have is a brand that, ooh, it seems like it might have been open. Did they give me a tester? I don't know, they didn't give, oh no, it's full, so that's that. Okay, so this brand I actually know a lot more about because I actually had to do, which was really cool. I like that the brand actually had you do an assignment of what you would actually be doing. So the role that I would have had for Briogeo, which is the brand here, it would have been influencer coordinator, which would have been aligned with my life. Hello, influencer coordinator, connect with other influencers. But this company is 6 free. The 6 most harmful ingredients, which is sulfates, parabens, silicones, phthalates, artificial colors, and DEA. I bought from this brand because one, it's black owned, you know how I feel about that, and because I was actually pushed in to actually do more research on the company from doing the assignment. I learned a lot about it and about how amazing this brand really is. It's made for all hair types, especially our hair types, but all hair types can benefit from these. This is the Curl Cashmere. I haven't re-upped on my staple products, which was my Mixed Chicks and my Coils by Nature, or my Curling Custard, because I've been trying to expand and do different things. Now I have here another Briogeo product, and this is the Curl Cashmere Rice Amino and Avocado Leave-In Defining Cream. I'm excited for that. Let's see what else we have in here. Our final Briogeo product, I believe, is this duo. Now this is highly rated. They don't sell it in stores, I was told, at Sephora anymore in the bundle. You have to buy them individually, but I was able to find it online, and it's 100% vitality, 100% replenishing, 100% hydrating, 100% shine. And this is the Matcha and Apple Replenishing Superfood Shampoo and Conditioner. This is matcha and apple, and this is kale and apple for the conditioner. Superfood one is amazing for us to take in our bodies, and not only for our bodies, but for if you can get it in anyway, your skincare, your hair products, do that. I'm really excited for all of my purchases, to be completely honest, but between the Dr. Robux and this Briogeo, so excited, so happy. Probably will do a review on the Briogeo collection soon once these braids is out, you know what I'm saying, and we'll see how that goes. And then next we have the illuminating pink mask. I'm interested to see, I've seen a lot of peel off masks and I've never tried one before, so this brand has the charcoal one and I'm interested to see what the pink one is all about. Let's take it out of the packaging here. This is what it looks like, and this is 2.8 fluid ounces US. I don't know what ounces are in other countries, but yeah, I would expect an ounce to be an ounce. So it's a peel off mask for all skin types. So I'm interested to try this. It was kind of like a impulse buy. I really didn't need to buy that. Next product. This product probably cost me what everything that I just showed you cost alone. I did a bad thing and I know it. Like, I've been thinking about this since I pressed confirm on this order, and it is, wow, this is heavy. This is the Natasha Denona Tropical palette. I
think this is $129.
But I just had to have it. It was so beautiful. Between her and Pat McGrath, which I really need to get some Pat McGrath, they're the most amazing eyeshadows on the market. So I had to. Like, I just had to. And this is the beautiful palette. Swatcheroo. They're very creamy. At least this sparkle one is super creamy. Let's see. I'm gonna pick random colors. I'm not gonna do all of them. First of all, just look at my fingers. Like, that color payout is bomb.com. Tiger Lily, Xena, Limoncello, Sangria, and then is that Mint Frost? Yep, Mint Frost. So this palette is amazing. I'm excited to be able to try to do some stuff with this. I think it would be super duper fun to pull something off. And I can't wait to see what comes from this. So that is all of my purchases from Sephora for the VIB sale. I think I'm like $100 at this point. After this purchase, I'm like I was 500 and something away from VIB Rouge. I think I'm like maybe $150 away at this point because of all that I have purchased, darling. Oh, so I got these, the ones I just showed you, mail, and I didn't, because they didn't have them in the store. And then these next things I brought in the store. Coconut deodorant, really like this. This smells amazing. It smells so good. I've been using this for the past couple days. Really love this. And it's coconut oil. Let's see. Invisible, non-sticky formula. Aluminum free. Vegan. This might replace my Tom's. And then the next thing I got, which I'm excited about also, is the Dermaclear Micro Water from Dr. Jart. And that's what this is. I got this in the store as well. And picked up was this Milk Makeup Cooling Water. And I use it for under my eyes. Love, love, love this. Then next, I got this Dr. Jart's Water Fuse Hydro Sleeping Mask. I'm really excited about this. I've never used a sleeping mask. Actually, I'm like, I did use a sleeping mask because I have the Watermelon Glow Recipe sleeping mask and I tried that before too. So I'm interested to see what this one is all about. And then last but not least is another Dr. Jart product, and it is the Shake and Shot. This is a rubber hydro mask and I'm really excited for this one as well. Dr. Jart is a really great brand. Korean beauty love also. So it's going to be interesting to see how that works out. But all these products I'm super excited about. Super broke, but super excited about. Hope you guys enjoyed everything that I purchased, my recommendations. I'm still currently watching all of your videos to see what your recommendations are. I think that of all the things between the Briogeo and the Dr. Robux, those are probably my most favorite. Interested to see how they do for me. If you guys really love this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Thank you guys so much for getting this far along in the video and through my channel, period. So be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.